Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Grok AI account step by step. So let's get started. First, open Google and search for Grok, then click on the official Grok website link. It's usually the first or second result, but make sure you're clicking on the correct and legit site. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner. You'll see a sign in button, click on it to open the login page. Now Grok gives you multiple sign-in options, but the easiest one is Continue with Google. Click on it and you'll be redirected to choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the correct one. Then follow the prompts and allow access to complete the login process. After that, you'll be redirected back to Grok. To confirm you're logged in, check for your profile picture, usually visible on the screen. That means your account is successfully opened. And that's it. Now you're ready to start using Grok AI.